Looking to kickstart your own transportation business? With your first commercial vehicle or add another vehicle to your fleet, but don't know where to start? We have got the best solution for you. This one-stop digital solution also makes it super easy for you to directly book your desired commercial vehicle with Tata Motors authorized dealers. Here you can search for the vehicle you are looking for through product categories. Just click on the category you are looking for, like trucks, buses and vans, or SCV and pickups. Select the vehicle you're looking for from the drop-down list. Once you click on the category that you are interested in, it will show all the variants available for that product along with their ex-showroom prices. Click on View Details to know more about the vehicle, like features and specifications. Just keep swiping left and right to explore, and to know more about any vehicle, click on View Details. To understand the vehicle in detail, you can scroll down and browse the features and specifications according to vehicle information, performance, design and build, comfort, safety and more. If you want to watch a product video, you can do it right there. To know how much EMI you might have to pay for that particular vehicle, you can calculate the EMI amount by putting in details for loan amount, rate of interest per annum and loan tenure in years. To book a test drive, you can simply click on the Book Test Drive button and fill in the details. One of our dealer representatives will be sure to get in touch with you. You can also add this vehicle to your comparison list by clicking on Compare button. Once you have decided the vehicle, you can simply book that vehicle by clicking on Book Now and entering your details. Once you have filled in all your details, selected the Tata Motors authorized dealer and proceeded to payment, it will take you to the payment page. Once your payment has been made, you will receive a message like this to confirm your payment and booking. Once you have booked and logged in, you can see all your details in one place. Here you can see the vehicles you have booked. Once you upload the documents, your KYC will be approved. It will then ask for a confirmation, and when you click on Confirm, you will be logged out of your account. Hello there! Great to know you stuck around. Here are some added features and benefits of the platform that will make your life easier yet enriched. Let's get started. You can scroll down to the Services section and click on any one of the services to learn more about how these add value to your logistics and transportation business. To make things easy for you, we have listed the most frequently asked questions that our visitors have. If you feel that your queries are not being addressed by the FAQs, do not hesitate to contact us through mail or toll-free number for further assistance. Click on Exchange to visit the Tata OK site, where you will find multiple options and opportunities to buy, sell or exchange your old truck of any make, model or vintage for the best value and market price.